Hello everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today, we are going to talk about something that we all need to survive. And no, hindi po siya love life. It's breathing, aka the respiratory system. The system includes your nose, your trachea, your bronchi, your lungs, and your diaphragm. So basically, everything that works 24/7 para makahinga tayo. That's why if there is a problem in this system, automatic panic mode! Now, let us talk about the two common diseases that is familiar among all Filipinos. According to DOH and WHO, it's pneumonia and asthma. So inhale, inhale, and exhale. For dapat chill lang, hindi ito graded recitation.
So, unahan natin ang asthma. Ang asthma ay isang long-term condition where ang airways natin ay na-inflame or na-tighten. Para sila yung tipong tao na sa isang konting trigger, nag-react na agad. Ang mga triggers ay nag-i-include ng dust, smoke and pollution, even cold air. Next is pneumonia. Naka-record na. Next is pneumonia. Ito ay isang long viral infection that is caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. According sa World Health Organization, common ito sa mga old people and even children. Kung sa asthma kay nagre-react ang mga airways nimo, ang sa pneumonia kay nagpuno ang mga lungs nimo ng fluid or pus. Risk and factors of both diseases include air pollution, nandiyan na sa Pilipinas, no? Secondhand smoke, sudden weather changes, weak immune system, and even poor ventilation. In other words, daghan nating mga kalaban yung ating lungs natin.
For asthma, symptoms include
wheezing, cough, chest pain, breathing difficulty.
So during an asthma attack, your airways swell and produce extra mucus. So it's like the feeling, why do I get tired so easily, even though I didn't run so much?
The symptoms include
Fever, coughing with phlegm, breathing difficulties, chest pains, and tiredness even though you've barely done anything. So pneumonia fills your air sacs with fluids. So that's why it's hard for oxygen to enter your body. Imagine the feeling of your lungs working so hard even though there's something blocking its way. That's the feeling.
So, paano ba natin ito maiiwasan? So, sa asthma prevention, i-avoid natin yung mga makatrigger gaya ng dust, smoke, and pollution. Pangalawa, panatilihin natin na malinis yung kapaligiran. Pangtatlo, lumayo sa mga taong malalakas yung amoy. At ang huli, huwag kalimutan magdala ng inhaler if kinakailangan. So, sa pneumonia prevention, unang-una, get vaccinated. Avoid smoking. Wash your hands regularly. Eat healthy foods to strengthen our immune system. And syempre, seek medication if symptoms start. So, asthma is controlled with inhaler and medications. Pneumonia is treated depending on the cause. Antibiotics for antibacterial pneumonia. Proper medication, rest, and hydration. Simple lang yung paghinga. Pero pagka nagka-problema, damdam mo na agad. So, let's take care of our lungs. Avoid smoking, keep the environment clean, and don't wait until the breathing becomes difficult. Healthy lungs equals healthy life. Choose to breathe better every day.